In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a related list in Salesforce, an indispensable skill for organizing and displaying related records in a cohesive manner. This feature is especially beneficial in maintaining a streamlined workflow and ensuring that all necessary information is right at your fingertips when working within the Salesforce platform. Let's start by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, we'll begin by accessing the quick settings. You'll notice a small gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Go ahead and click on this to open your quick settings. The quick settings menu is a handy feature as it gives you direct access to the most commonly used customization options without having to dive deep into the backend structure. After this, we'll move on by clicking on Open Advanced Setup, which will take you to more detailed options. Selecting Advanced Setup allows us to access Salesforce's more nuanced configuration tools. From this page, click on Object Manager. The Object Manager houses all the objects in your Salesforce environment, giving you the flexibility to customize and manage a wide array of settings across your objects. Next, you're going to want to choose a label for the object you're interested in modifying. Remember, the label is essentially the name that you'll associate with this object in Salesforce. Once that's set, navigate to the Page Layouts section. Page layouts control the layout of your record detail pages, ensuring that you see exactly what you need without unnecessary clutter. Now, pick a page layout from the available list. This will be the canvas where you customize how your data is displayed. On this layout, look for and click on the Related Lists section. From here, you'll be able to see all the related list options you can add to your page layout. Once in the Related Lists section, simply click and drag a related list name to the designated drop box to include it in your page layout. To further customize this list, click on the wrench icon that appears for related list settings. This icon is your key to tweaking which fields are shown and how they're shown on your related list. You'll see two sections: Available Fields and Selected Fields. Available fields are all the fields that you can potentially include in your related list. They're not shown right now, but could be added if you decide you want them later on. Meanwhile, selected fields are the fields currently being displayed in your related list. They structure the information that you will see on the page. Choose a field from Available Fields that you would like to add to your related list. Once you've decided, click on Add to shift it to the Selected Fields section. Don't forget to confirm your choice by clicking OK. After reviewing your selections, hit Save to store your changes. It's critical to save your work to ensure that every adjustment you made will be reflected in your Salesforce environment. There you have it. These steps will guide you in effectively creating and managing related lists in Salesforce. Whether you're fine-tuning existing processes or setting up new workflows, this capability will certainly enhance your organization's data visibility.